The Man Who Stood Alone. Story of Prophet Nuh.
Allah tells us in the Quran that there are lessons to learn from the stories of the prophets. Let's see if we can learn any lessons from today's story.
Let's first guess and see if you know who was the first prophet of Allah.
Musa alayhi salam?
Think again.
Mm, Adam alayhi salam.
That's right. That was Adam alayhi salam. He was the first prophet of Allah. Do you know that some of his children were very, very good Muslims? But later, after Adam alayhi salam, some people that came long, long time after him, you know what they did? They said, you know what? We love those good Muslims who have passed away so much that we want to make pictures and statues of them so we don't forget them. So they chose five best people who loved Allah and they hung up their pictures and statues on the wall. Do you know what happened slowly? Can you guess?
This actually seems like Shaitan's trick.
Yes, that's right. Because slowly with time, because of these statues and idols, people started worshipping these special people instead of worshipping Allah.
Are you saying that they started loving them and thinking of them as gods?
Yes, they became distracted and confused and they started doing shirk.
What's shirk?
Shirk is the greatest sin one can ever do. It is to join other beings and powers with Allah. It is to share something with others that only belongs to Allah.
So Allah doesn't like shirk at all.
That's right, Allah doesn't like shirk at all.
Are you saying that people started doing shirk by worshipping idols, statues, and other beings instead of Allah?
Yes, that's when Allah decided to send another prophet to guide people back. What do you think his name was? Do you want to guess?
Musa alayhi salam. Oh, I love Musa alayhi salam a lot.
Oh, I love Musa alayhi salam too. But this prophet's name was, do you want to guess again?
Mm, Nuh alayhi salam. I heard he was one of the best and most patient men ever.
Yes, that's right. Nuh alayhi salam told his people to listen to Allah and be thankful to Him. He said to his people, look, Allah made the sun to brighten your day and a night so you can rest, and He has spread the earth like a carpet for you. Allah is the one who gave you everything. So why are you not listening to Him? And you should not worship people and idols. Nuh alayhi salam would call his people to believe in one God alone. That is Allah. He did that every day and night.
Even at night.
Yes, even at night.
This shows how hardworking he was, and also that he didn't give up at all. But I heard that they still didn't listen to him and even laughed at him and made fun of him, and they even stuck their fingers in their ears and walked away.
How hurtful is that? The more Nuh called them, the more they turned away. He told them to seek istighfar.
Istighfar?
Yes, istighfar, which means to say sorry to Allah. He said, if you ask for Allah's forgiveness, if you say sorry to Allah, then He will wash all your sins and bad deeds away.
So, if I say sorry to Allah, then will my heart become nice and squeaky clean? That's so amazing!
I know, that is amazing. Nuh alayhi salam tried and tried and tried. Can you guess how long did he try for?
10 years?
No.
100 years?
Try again.
500 years.
No, he tried for 950 years. Yes, that's right.
So, he must have grown really old.
Yes, he grew really old, but his people still didn't want to listen to him, and they called him a madman.
How rude!
Can you guess how many people accepted his message and believed in him in the end?
950 people.
No,
700 people?
no, only 80 people believed in Prophet Nuh after 950 years.
Oh, that's like one person every 10 years?
Yes, that's right.
This must have made Nuh alayhi salam very sad.
Exactly. So after trying his best, he made a dua. He said, O Allah, help me and save the believers. Allah told Nuh alayhi salam to give his people a final warning. But his people said, bring us the punishment if you really are speaking the truth. Ha! We don't think you are serious. Then Allah told Nuh that a flood is about to come, and he should start building a ship, a huge boat.
I have heard that instead of asking any questions or doubting in Allah's plan, Nuh got to work straight away.
Yes, and Muslims helped too.
I heard he had to plant lots of trees first, and he waited and waited for them to grow so he could get the wood.
Yes, and some say that this was the first ship ever built, and that it took Nuh alayhi salam around a year, and some say that it took him about 80 years to build. But we don't know for sure. Allah knows the best.
So he built like the biggest and most epic boat ever of that time.
Yes, and people laughed and said, how come you are building a boat on top of a hill? And also there is no water near you. They felt safe from Allah's plan. Nuh alayhi salam said, soon a huge flood is on its way, but if you board the ship, Allah will save you. Nuh alayhi salam started boarding the ship with the believers, and then with two of every animal, bird, and insect of all kinds.
You mean one girl zebra and one boy zebra, one girl lion and one boy lion, one girl cow and one boy cow, one girl cat and one boy cat?
And many more. They all said Bismillah and they came jumping, hopping, and flying. As soon as the boat was ready, rain started pouring down the sky. Water gushed out from the ground. Sea waved around like mountains.
This seems like water was everywhere.
I know. He told people that if they worship Allah and trust in Him, He will save them. He said they should come with Him, but most of the people refused. They said, "We don't want to go with you, and we can just climb the mountain to be safe from the flood."
There was so much water that it even covered the mountains.
Yes, it rained for 40 days and 40 nights, and it seemed like it would never stop.
So those who didn't come with him all drowned in the flood. And the good people who believed in Allah and His Prophet and the animals and birds and insects were safe.
Yes, finally, with Allah's orders, the sky stopped the rain. The flood went away. Earth swallowed the water back. Nuh alayhi salam's ship landed on a mountain. Nuh and the believers thanked Allah and lived happily ever after.